In today's age and world, being slim, shapely, possessing ripped abdominal muscles and toned arms seems to be the aim of a vast majority of the people you see spending tons of hours working out at gyms. These same people spend loads of money on the new weight loss pill or supplement guaranteed to make you eat less and increase your metabolism, and in spite of whatever side effects the product may contain, the average Joe still thinks this quick fix will be worth the risk. In truth, some of these people have luck with these efforts, and yes, they possess the ever so ripped and toned muscles we as a society admire so much. However, the fact that needs to be accepted and pondered upon thoroughly as whatever is not built on a proper foundation will eventually crumble. Most fitness experts and bodybuilders atrophy and wear down prematurely as sooner or later, these muscles blown up with unnatural substances have a tendency to pretty much deflate. Moreover, ripped muscles and supposed feats of strength do not depict proper and optimal health. There is a saying that is known to every culture which goes, "You are what you eat." What you eat plays arguably the most important role on your overall health and fitness, thus proper diet should be the most important factor of any and every health seeker. What then should one eat? In a nutshell, yes, as boring as it may sound, fruits and vegetables. These substances possess the abilities to not only provide the necessary fuel needed for day-to-day activities, but play important and vital roles in 1. Providing the alkaline reserves in the body for balancing chemical metabolism within. 2. Cleansing the digestive and excretory tract as they act as the much-needed intestinal broom to sweep these pipes, as you may call them, clean to function properly in their duties of nourishing and cleansing the body. 3. Keeping the body fit, trim and in shape without the unwanted side effects of toxic and artificial substances such as pills and supplements. Sure, it is a great feeling to be able to see the awesome cuts in your abs and arms when you look in the mirror, but feeling good on the inside as well and knowing that you are thoroughly cleansed internally should be of just as much importance as getting ripped. As I stated in one of my previous articles, a quick and sure-fire method of attaining internal cleanliness and the added bonus of healthy weight loss will be to undergo a fast. There are several methods of this tried, and you can always do some research on this radical, yet extremely effective method of internal purification and weight loss. In conclusion, the cleaner you are on the inside and the freer you are of toxicity, the quicker you can and will attain your goal of being in shape. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos.